Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by ensuring permissions and locating both pages. This avoids broken links later. Open the source page in edit mode and the target page in another tab so you can copy the exact title or URL. Decide whether you need a simple inline link, a page anchor for section-level links, or the include page macro for content reuse. Once decided, place your cursor where the link should go. That first placement determines context and accessibility for readers, so choose it with intent. You now create the actual link using Confluence tools. Highlight text and press the link button or type to use quick markup. Start typing the page name to autocomplete, which prevents typos. For section-specific links, insert an anchor macro on the target section and reference it with page hash anchor. If you want to reuse whole content blocks, insert the include page macro and configure options such as excluding page title. Make sure link text is descriptive so users and search can understand the destination. You finish by publishing and testing thoroughly. Click each link and confirm anchors jump to the intended section and includes render correctly. If a link breaks, make sure the target page title didn't change, verify permissions, and check the space key in any manual URLs. When things go wrong, use page history to restore a prior version or inspect the page's audit to see recent edits. Make incremental fixes, then retest so users won't encounter stale or inaccessible links.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.